Now, core also includes the lower back. We're not just talking abdominals. We're talking the whole core. So one of the best low back exercises for learning core control and stability is called the bird dog. I'm going to show you the basic and the advanced progression of the bird dog. For the bird dog, we're going to get on all fours. We're going to find that middle position in our back, and you're going to extend first just your thumb towards the ceiling and back. If nothing else moves or compensates, you're clear to do a leg progression. Same position, leg straight back. When you stick your leg straight back, make sure you're squeezing your glute and don't put your foot crazy high towards the sky. That's the big mistake with this, where you see where it's going all over the place. All it's doing is messing up your lumbar spine and causing it to U. Squeeze your glutes, extend under control. The next progression is across the core, hand and the leg. One note is I always like to pull the toe in when doing these exercises.